Alright, so I just got this microphone from Best Buy. It's called as the Yeti Blue microphone. It's one of the best and popular microphone. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. What do we get with the box? So let's remove the okay, so this is the box of the Yeti Blue, which is the most powerful microphone which people usually use for YouTube recording and Skype and for all the purposes. So I just got this one for my YouTube channel because YouTube quality matters a lot. So the audio quality is one of the most important thing when you want to record it. So now let's unbox this. So I'm trying to figure out from where I can take this thing out. Alright, so I think I got it. So this is the box that comes inside, right? So gonna gently lift it, don't want to damage it. So we have something, it's a white box, right? Now I gotta see where can I open this from. I think from the side maybe. Oh yeah, we have a sellotape here, so essentially wanna take that off. Be patient while removing it, don't wanna damage the microphone. Alright, so that's done. Can take that off. So essentially want a little bit of force and that's fine. Now this is the first look of the Yeti. So this is what it comes with. First of all, we have the cables, the USB to micro USB, the normal cable. Then we have this support guide wire register, so we have to register this. So we will do that in a while, right? So after that, let's see what do we have. So in the box we have this nice thermocol and we have a manual, basically a book manual, you can see, right? So kind of a manual, we'll read that. And then we have the Yeti Blue. So just gonna show you that. So now if you see, this is the Yeti Blue microphone that it comes with, right? So this is what it comes inside the box. Alright, so I just got the microphone and I wanna walk you through certain specification of this microphone. So it has basically about 4 features. So essentially walking through that. So the first one is the cardioid mode, perfect for podcast, game streaming, vocal performances, voiceover and instruments. So the cardioid mode records sound sources that are directly in front of the microphone. So this is what we want right now, right? So I'm using right now the cardioid mode, right? So after that we have something known as the stereo mode, right? So the stereo mode uses both the left and right channels, captures a wide realistic range of ideal for recording acoustic guitars and stuff like that. So for instruments. Then it also has 2 more modes which I want to walk you through. So the third mode is the omnidirectional mode. So the omnidirectional mode picks up sound quality from all the direction, no matter you're talking from the left or right. So basically it's gonna pick up sound from all the directions. So you can so whenever you want to capture like ambience of being there, like recording a band or live performance or a multi-person podcast or a conference call, so omnidirectional would be a perfect choice. Bidirectional would be whenever you are interviewing a person and you can just place the Yeti microphone in the center and you can record the audio, which is pretty good, I would say. I personally I'm very good. I'm really very impressed with this Yeti microphone because it has excellent the audio quality. So my earlier YouTube videos, everyone told me that the audio was not that clear. So I purchased this microphone so that I can deliver a very good quality YouTube videos. Essentially at the back, if you see, you can connect with a micro USB and as an headphone jack. So if you want to listen to what you are saying or stuff like that. So I'm not going to use the headphone jack. So it's pretty amazing. You can also get accessories for Yeti. You can put it in this way or that way, however you want. So ideally, you want to keep it straight and you don't want to speak on the top of the microphone, right? You want to maintain a distance about 3 to 4 inches and you want to speak on the microphone. So this is the do's and the don'ts. So just a quick note. So this is a small review from me about the Yeti microphone. So if you have any questions, please feel free to post them in the comment section. I would be very happy to answer all of your questions. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please let them know. Please let me know by doing that in the comment section below, and I would see you guys in the next video.